Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and install your painted mirror cap on a Honda CRV. If you're doing this on your vehicle and you only need to remove and install a new cap, then you can leave your mirror base on the vehicle. The only reason I'm doing this is because I'm swapping over the mirror cap from one base to another. So I have to take the base off anyways. But you can just go ahead and leave your base on the vehicle. And if you're looking where to get your cap from, you can just get it from your local Honda dealership. Just have your VIN ready and they can supply you with the exact part you need. And the first thing we're going to have to do is we need to remove the glass first in order to get to the back side of the molding. And so we're going to push the mirror glass towards the vehicle. And then when you look in the side there, you can see there is a white mounting plate, and then there's the mirror glass that mounts onto that plate. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take our flathead and we're going to go on the bottom of that glass, and we're going to kind of pry out on the off of the mirror plate, and it will unclip the bottom of the mirror. And there's two clips on the bottom, and so you want to get both of those unsnapped with the screwdriver. And then once both of those are loose, you can rotate the glass up, and then it just pulls off. And those upper clips, those are kind of like hooks that just hook onto that white base. And then after we get that off, you want to we're going to have to unplug the glass, and you can mark which wire goes where on the glass, so that way you remember. But honestly, I don't think it matters. You can plug either wire on either side and it should work just fine. And then just pull out on the plugs and they pop right off. And now we're all set to get the painted mirror cap off. And so what we're going to use now is a small flathead screwdriver. And you can see this little tab here, and there's another one right there, and another one right there. And we're just going to use the flathead and push out on the tab, and then move on to the next one and push on that one, and then the next, and press on that one also. And then you're going to want to work around pressing on these tabs. And as you press on them, you can see this gap is starting to form on the cover, between the cover and the base. And so what we're going to use is a plastic pry tool. And when I press on this with the flathead and it creates that gap, I'm going to use that plastic pry tool to stick it between the cover and the base. And you can either use a plastic pry tool, which I'll link to the description below, or you can also just use a little piece of wood also. You just want to use something that's not metal, that's going to scratch your base. And then just work that over the top of your cap, gently prying out on it while pushing these tabs to release them. And just take your time and work your way across. And then when you get the top all undone, you start working your way around and start prying on it, and then pull out on this cap and it'll just pop right off. And then to install it, we're basically just going to do it in reverse order. We're just going to come straight at the base, and you want to slide it in and kind of make sure your edges are all lined up. And everything, check over all your tabs and make sure everything seems like it's fitting and seated properly. And then once it does, you're going to start to just press it in around all sides and go around the whole edge of the cap and press it into the base. And then just check your edges and make sure nothing looks off or that it's not clipped in. And so now our base is back on, and now we are going to reinstall our mirror. And to do that, we are going to, first we're going to plug it in. And then we're going to slide those hooks to the top of the white base. We're going to slide those into place and then rotate it down, and then take both hands and press it in. And you want to work the glass around with both hands, pressing in around the whole glass and making sure it's all snapped in. And then go ahead and push it the other way and check it. Maybe pull on a little bit, make sure it's all snapped in. And that's it, guys. That is how you remove and install your painted mirror cap. Thanks for watching.